Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Today's topic is carnivores. Today's topic is carnivores. We already had discussed omnivores and herbivores. Now today we will discuss carnivores. A carnivore is an organism that mostly eats meat or the flesh of animals. Sometimes carnivores are called predators. Predators mean शिकारी. कार्निवोर वो ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो मोस्टली गोश्त खाता है या फिर दूसरे जानवरों का फ्लैश गोश्त खाता है. समटाइम्स कार्निवोर्स को हम प्रीडेटर्स भी कहते हैं. So here are some examples of carnivore animals. Wolf, lion, alligator, tiger, shark, polar bear, jaguar, hyena, wild dog, walrus. These are carnivores. These carnivore animals eat meat or eat other animals.